Hello guys, my name is Sakode. In this video, I'll show you how you can turn off two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. So to start, on your computer, click on any browser of your choice. Then in the address bar, input facebook.com. Go to Facebook website. So to log in, enter your Facebook email and password, then click on login to access your Facebook web portal. So this is my Facebook web portal. So to turn off two-factor authentication, on the top right corner, click on Accounts. And I click on Settings and Privacy tab. Then I click on Settings. I click on Security and Login. This will prompt you for me to change or turn off two-factor authentication. So to turn off, scroll through under two-factor authentication column, you'll find Use Two-factor authentication, then click beside it, click on Edit tab. This will prompt you to click on Turn Off tab to turn off two-factor authentication by clicking on Turn Off tab. This will turn off two-factor authentication, then click on Turn Off. Now, two-factor authentication has been turned off on my Facebook account. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon to receive a notification anytime we upload new video.